Get ready for a major security surprise. One camera is redefining safety in commercial buildings, schools, and retail stores. The Z972 shocks security teams with its AI-powered mini PTZ design, delivering performance far beyond expectations in the first 10 seconds. The Z972 uses 5MP resolution and 5x optical zoom to capture clear details in lobbies, hallways, and retail entrances. One mini PTZ covers wide indoor areas, reducing blind spots and lowering hardware cost for offices, campuses, and retail stores. With 0.003 lux color, 130 dB WDR, and 50 MIR, the Z972 delivers clear night and high-contrast imaging in garages, dorm entrances, and loading zones, improving visibility and evidence after dark. AI detects people, vehicles, and non-motor objects, plus intrusion, line crossing, and area entry/exit. It cuts false alarms and helps offices stop unauthorized access, schools avoid danger zones, and retail identify suspicious activity. Sound alerts add extra awareness. Built-in Wi-Fi enables installation in under 5 minutes, no cables or drilling. Ideal for temporary monitoring in buildings, school events, and retail pop-ups. Faster for SI teams, more flexible for users. With DI/DO, audio in/out, mic, and speaker, the Z972 supports remote talk-down and warnings. Offices verify visitors, schools deter intruders, and retail checks deliveries without dispatching staff. Compared with Axis, ACTi Z972 delivers fuller AI, WDR, PTZ, Wi-Fi, and audio, while saving 30 to 50%. It deploys faster, reduces false alarms, and fits commercial, education, and retail markets more cost-effectively. Boost efficiency, cut risk, and stay on budget with the Z972. Click to see how it upgrades security for commercial buildings, schools, and retail spaces, your smartest decision this year.